If we talk about the discovery of three-dimensional structure of DNA, two prominent scientists comes in everyone's mind. Those are James Watson and Francis Crick. But what about the contribution given by a lady known as the Dark Lady of DNA, as per the excellent biography given by Barbara Maddox? Yes, you heard me right. Without the contribution of Rosalind Franklin, it was not possible for James Watson and Francis Crick to receive the Nobel Prize that has been awarded to them for the reduction of double helix structure of DNA. So basically, the pioneering experiment of the reduction of the structure of the DNA double helix was done by the efforts of the great lady that is known as Rosalind Franklin. She was a great X-ray crystallographer, and through his X-ray diffraction study, she has proved that DNA exists in the form of helix, and this information has written a history for James Watson and Francis Crick. We all are aware about the fact that the discovery of DNA has been in so many controversies previously, but we will not discuss those controversies. Instead, I will let you know the actual contribution of Rosalind Franklin in the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. As I mentioned, the great lady Rosalind Franklin was hired in the King's College in London as a full-time X-ray crystallographer. His lab senior, that is Maurice Wilkins, forced him to work on the experimental reduction of the structure of double helix of DNA, and it was in the 1951 she started determining the structure of DNA through his expertise in X-ray diffraction, a technique which uses X-ray for determining the molecular structure of macromolecules. So it was in the 1960s, particularly in 1962, James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins received the Nobel Prize for the discovery of double helix of DNA. But it was so unfortunate that at the early age of 37, Rosalind Franklin died due to the ovarian cancer,